Children with learning differences can sometimes struggle to turn off their busy minds so that they can relax enough to go to sleep. As well as normal other sleep time routines that help sleep, another option is using a progressive muscle relaxation technique. This video helps you with this process. The big picture of what you will be doing is identifying parts of the body, tensing them for about 5 seconds, and then letting them go. This helps the children to understand what being relaxed feels like. All through the process, you will be doing tummy breathing. That's that breathing right down into the tummy to calm the mind and feel relaxed. By focusing on how the body feels, the child's mind is less likely to think of other things. It may take you a few goes to get the hang of this, and you may want to practice tummy breathing with your children prior to starting this process. To help you with instructions, we have set up this video to show what parts you say using this symbol and what parts you do using this symbol. The process follows a pattern as it moves through the body. You start with the head, then do the upper body, and then onto the lower body, finishing with feeling the relaxation in the whole body. For each part of the body you focus on, you follow this pattern of tightening, holding it for 5 seconds, then releasing that tightness. You breathe deeply for 5 seconds, which is about 3 or 4 breaths, and then you move on to the next part of the body. Making this work is how you and your child get set up. You need to be comfortable, sitting down on the bed or nearby. You will be wanting to be calm and use a calm voice. It does work better if the eyes are closed for the child, but only if they feel comfortable doing this. Ask what they want to do. Make sure all phones and other noisy distractions are out of the room or turned off. And have the light low as well if possible. To help them feel better about what they're going to do, explain how the process works beforehand to them. This is giving them the big picture. Okay, so let's start. This is how it starts. First, we start with the breathing. It's important that they just feel comfortable with their breathing and are not forcing it in and out. However, you want them to breathe deeply, and you can see this if their tummy is rising as they breathe in. This is where you breathing with them is really helpful. So we start off, we take a deep breath in through the nose, into the tummy, hold the breath, and breathe out slowly. As you breathe in, notice your tummy rising. Breathe in, breathe out. Then breathe out. I want you to raise your eyebrows as high as you can. Feel how your eyes are wide doing this. And hold it for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let go of your eyebrows and let's breathe for 5. So you keep moving through parts of the head. Smile as much as possible. Feel your cheeks and mouth are tight. Hold for 5. Let go of your smile. And we'll breathe for 5. Keep moving through the head. So now we're going to squeeze your eyes. Feel how your eyes are tight. Of your eyes. We'll breathe. We're going to slowly tip back your head as if you're looking up and back. You're going to hold that for 5. Bring your head back. And we'll breathe for 5. So when we're finishing with the head, we just want to feel the weight of your relaxed head and neck and sinking down. And we just breathe in and out. And we're letting go of all that tightness, breathing in and out. So this is helping the child just noticing how the head feels overall after going through tightening each part. We then follow this process for the upper body. So we're going to start with one side with the hands and go up that side. What we've done here is we've just said one side, then go to the other, rather than saying right and left sides. As they move through the parts of the body, you could lightly tap where they need to tense if they're struggling to do this to those separate parts of the body. So this just goes through and follows that same process. So just pause the screen here and follow the process here. We then move on to the lower body, and it's the same thing here, just going through each part, and you then just release after each time you've tightened. So freeze the screen here and go through that process. Finally, what we want to do is we want to help them notice a feeling of relaxation through the whole body. So we just go through this process here on the screen, and that's just getting them to feel really relaxed. And that's where you leave it. And hopefully they're very sleepy. Thank you.